in the matter of James Mitros et al. Versus John Beck, MD, 45 CO1 0603 CT 58. For the record, would you identify yourself, counsel?
Sarah Capiro for the plaintiffs.
My name is John Beck.
You Dr. Beck, all right, sir. All right, we're here. We had a pretrial last Friday, I believe, or
Correct.
No, Dr. Beck is here. Where are we at with this?
I got lost. I was coming from Northwest Chicago.
Yeah, I know you were late. Yeah, he showed up right after.
Oh, okay.
He came late.
Well, we would like to proceed with our motion for default, Your Honor.
Well, all right. He's here. Are we going to trial?
If the order of default isn't entered, then we would like to reaffirm the trial date of April 8th and then...
Do you understand your separate trial in less than a month, sir? You don't have a lawyer?
Not as of now. I might be able to obtain if I have a little more time, perhaps a month or two. Up to now, I was financially unable to obtain attorney. But in a month or two, I might be able to obtain attorney financially if I can extend a little bit longer. I do have some income, so that's why I can accumulate enough money to hire the lawyer at the point.
Yes.
Your Honor, as you very well know, you entered the order on June 13th of 2012, setting the trial date for April 8th, and Mr. Dr. Beck hasn't disclosed any witnesses. He just today submitted something listing 3 exhibits that he didn't attach. We've sent him via certified mail our proposed pretrial order requesting that he sign, and he did not. He hasn't submitted any contentions. He failed to appear timely last week at the final pretrial conference. He hasn't tendered any jury instructions. As you know, the witnesses' exhibits and contentions were all due 2 months ago, a little over 2 months ago, and we had not received anything from him. This, I believe, may even be his first filing in this case. It's been pending for quite some time, and we would like to move for a default, and if Your Honor isn't inclined to enter that, we would ask to reaffirm the trial date that's been set for nearly a year.
I understand there were some discussions of settlement with Dr. Beck.
And correct.
Where are you at with that?
We keep hearing the same story. The mediator has tried to contact him to bring in the money, and he can't bring it all. And so we don't...
Is he bringing anything?
Not to our knowledge.
At that particular time, I was able to provide $7,000, and the rest monthly base. In a few months, I could be able to. But what I understand was they were a total amount of $25,000.
How much?
$25,000. But I was only had a cash $7,000 at that moment. Even then, now I just used the way for property tax what have you.
So you have $7,000 now? I'm a little short of $1,000, but the money comes and goes. Everybody's money comes and goes.
Yes, but then at least at beginning of months, I can easily accumulate between 4,000 to 7,000 first week of each month.
Yeah, he can pay $4,000 a month. He said minimum.
Well, Your Honor, the problem is that that's what he's saying. But we've had, through our past dealings, we have no no reason
You
to
have to
believe
put
that
the money,
something like
you have to put the
that.
money on the table, you have to give them the money.
I contacted the mediator about the indicating that I got 7,000, but then in case that is still effective, I can ask my brother loan me money, which younger brother. I hate to ask, which only I did, but she mediator told me he wasn't sure they are still going to accept the same amount or not. So that's
Will you accept the same amount?
The 25 remains open. Our concern is that we want it all at the same time. We want him to bring that 25,000 to the mediator, and that's been the case for a couple of weeks now, and it hasn't happened. And so our concern is we're 3 weeks away from our trial.
If they give me 2 more weeks, I might be able to good chance.
Well, the trial's not till April. So you got,
Yes. Before
you got over 2 weeks.
Well, that's the same question I was asking mediator, if that fact of same amount of still they are...
Trial set for April 6th. Okay?
Yes.
So I would say if you got it in their office by April 1st, you're okay.
Okay, I think I can act right away, Your Honor. Good opportunity I might be able to.
Yes, I'm gonna keep the trial date on. So if you don't pay it by April, pay the 25,000, you're gonna go to trial, and who knows, with a jury, you might wind up with a lot more.
Yes, Your Honor, I might be able to make it. But then I hate to ask my younger brother.
Well,
But then
you can pay him back
sure.
just as easily as you can make payments. It's easier to pay him back than try to mess with this.
I will. I hope he will help me out. In the past, he did help me out one time, which was $5,000, much smaller amount. But this time, 25,000 is a little more than previous time, so I have to ask him. Plus the fact that I do have monthly income, like I can afford between 4,000 to 7,000 each every month, the first week. As long as what I'm doing is continue something similar, I do have some mini hotel like rental room units and bring some income.
Are you still practicing medicine?
No, I haven't, Your Honor. Ever since 2002, I have not. I'm 72 years old, Your Honor, and I've been sick. That's another. I was extremely sick at home for last
Well, $25,000 for this case is a fair settlement offer.
I was so anxious to know, but the mediator told me I'm not sure. That means that they might say that particular time and they might have changed the mind, so I cannot tell you
Well, you didn't
sure.
change your mind, still $25,000.
Then I will try. Great possibility I can make it, Your Honor,
Okay.
by 1st of April.
All right, then we'll reaffirm the trial date.
Can we get a date from you then on hearing for our motions in limine that were filed?
What day is the first day of April?
The day, first day of, it's going to be Monday, April 1st.
On a Monday?
Yes, sir. It's the 31st, it's Sunday, that's Easter. I don't know if we're off the next day.
I don't think so, actually. We're not off.
No?
See if I have anything.
Oh, that's right, we're off Good
See
Friday.
if I have anything on the calendar that Monday. We'll set it for a final pretrial on that Monday, if I have it. And then we'll know if he's paid it or not by then. Okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Wait 1 minute here.
And then can you, just for the record, enter an order formally then denying, I'm presuming, our motion for default?
Right.
of March, we got this, the fourth day of Gildash trial. You think you can squeeze it in? Well, we're starting another trial on the first. Yes, sir. Yeah, magistrate van is out there.
April 28th,
March
March
28th.
28th?
March 28th.
What time do you want to go to?
What trial are we starting April 1st, Rich?
March 28th at 2.
What about the 20th? Oh, that's Good Friday.
Yeah, we got a 4 days, well, that'll be the fourth day of the hearings on that Gildash case.
What do we have? What trial do we have?
Gildash?
No, in April. What's that in the trial?
April 1st and 2nd, we got a hearing, we got a trial, Isn't it first and second? That's that fitness center trial, isn't it? Fitness center? On that back injury?
What about the 3rd?
How about the 3rd? Magistrate Van said he'll take it on the 28th if you want it.
What about the 3rd?
What about the 3rd? Maybe so we'll make it fit.
All right, 10 o'clock, April 3rd.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
And if you pay it before that, you pay the $25,000, they'll let me know and dismiss the case, okay? And you don't have to come.
Thank you, Your
If you
Honor.
don't pay it, you gotta be here.
Yes, Your Honor, I'll go through the mediator, make a payment,
Or pay it right to them too. What's the difference?
and let them know, let you know, in case I am
Why
able
don't
to
you
do
give
it
them your contact if we pay you directly? You know, really.
before the April 3rd. Thank you.
Right, okay?
Thank
All
you.
rise.
Better stand up back there, Mike.
I'm back, I'm standing up.
Okay.
Thank you very much.